viewers, this is Life Essential Health Channel. Today we're going to talk about nutrition for blood circulation and heart health. High blood pressure is one of the most common health problems. Poor diet and lack of exercises, increased salt intake are main cause of high blood pressure. Regular physical exercises, active lifestyle, well-balanced healthy nutrition is very essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining heart health with proper blood circulation. Good nutrition with whole grain products, fruits and vegetables, fibers like psyllium husk, inulin, soluble and insoluble fibers, oats, barley and good fat. They are helpful in lowering blood pressure and also reduces cholesterol levels and decreases heart risks. Spinach, beetroot, celery, sweet orange, they lower blood pressure because these food items have compounds that get converted easily into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide is able to open up our blood vessels and increases blood flow, sending your energy levels very high. As we age, the nitric oxide levels in our body decreases and free fluidity of the blood flow decreases too, and body is deprived of vital oxygen and nutrients. So we are more fatigued and we get frequently ill and we are forgetful too. There are more joint pain, stiffness and bone loss. Our blood vessels have endothelial lining from coronary arteries to your heart to the tiniest of capillaries. This endothelial lining is very important for delivery of vital oxygen and nutrients to the entire body through blood circulation. Nitric oxide is produced in this endothelial lining and it signals the muscles of arteries to relax. Probiotics and prebiotics in the mouth, they play a very essential role in producing nitric oxide and it starts working in the gut lining right away. There are amino acids L-arginine, L-citrulline and L-taurine. They help lower the blood pressures and maintains proper circulation of the blood and reduces the risk to the heart too. Amino acid L-arginine promotes blood circulation. It has increased nitric oxide levels in the youth, but as we grow older, it is harder to get nitric oxide from amino acid L-arginine. And then L-citrulline amino acids. This very important amino acid travels through a different pathway and it moves efficiently in the body than amino acid L-arginine and produces more nitric acid levels. It gives more high enhancing boost of circulation of blood too. It enhances healthy blood pressure. It improves dramatically both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. This powerful amino acid help people ease stiff their arteries and protect the heart after exercise stress. These two amino acids boost your energy, stamina and performance. They promote healthy circulation and sharpen your memory, normalizes blood pressure through nitric oxide. So, nitric oxide relaxes arteries so that blood flows freely throughout the body with normal blood pressure and reduces heart risk. Nitric oxide fuels the body with vital nutrients with long-lasting energy, boosting stamina and performance. It also supplies oxygen to the brain and sends signals to think clear and quick. It promotes healthy cholesterol level to keep the arteries clear and have a better heart health. It boosts the formation of bones and slows down the bone breakdown as we age. Nitric oxide uplifts the mood and sense of well-being, allows muscle and joints to recover faster so we can do more activities and move freely all around. This nutrient provides oxygen-rich blood flow flowing through the body and help each cell, muscle, organ, and tissue to work at its best. There are certain mouthwashes that can kill the good bacteria, and then the nitric oxide production is reduced. Good bacteria, they help in the production of nitric oxide. So it is important to supplement prebiotics and probiotics time to time. Certain acid blockers for indigestion or upset stomach can also stop your body's production of nitric oxide completely. And it is essential to supplement with good bacteria time to time to maintain a good health. There are other supplements that are essential for the blood circulation and heart health. Hawthorn berry is a rich source of health boosting flavonoids. It increases blood flow and supports healthy circulation and benefits heart and the entire body. Hawthorn berry helps the body to absorb significantly more L-citrulline amino acids when beetroot powder is taken together with it. Magnesium, this mineral, is needed to relax muscles in your arteries so that blood flows more freely. It promotes healthy heart rhythms too and helps keep calcium from building up in your joints. Vitamin B12, 1000 microgram is needed by the cells to increase nitric oxide level to your brain, nerves, muscles to work coordinately. Vitamin E, 1000 milligram per day boosts immune system and stimulates the enzyme vital for producing nitric oxide in your body. Resveratrol and transresveratrol, they improve blood vessel functions and blood circulations. Beetroot powder, it's very important and it boosts energy and endurance. It promotes good blood flow to the entire body, brain, and helps in thinking clear and quick and benefits heart too. There is amino acid N-acetyl-carnitine. It helps in transfer of long-chain fatty acids to mitochondria for oxidation and produces energy levels very high. Herb Ruta graveolens and sea buckthorn, they have powerful antioxidant and help maintain blood vessel functions and blood circulation all the way to the capillaries. L-taurine is another amino acid that is helpful for nerve growth. It promotes the calmness of nervous system, helps in lowering the blood pressure and prevents congestive heart failure. NADH is a strong reducing agent. Like coenzyme Q10 is a powerful antioxidant and it prevents and protects the cells from being damaged. It lowers the blood pressure and also prevents the congestive heart failure. N-acetylcysteine amino acid leads to the formation of glutathione, a very powerful reducing agent, and prevent the damage of free radicals to our cells. Vitamin E is essentially required strong antioxidant to protect the blood circulation and blood vessel functions. Flax seeds, chia seeds, borage oil, they have omega-3s and help prevent the inflammation. Curcumin also prevents the inflammation and protects our liver, heart, brain and muscles. There is this herb, gotu-kola or Centella asiatica. It improves blood circulation, it reduces swellings and also releases tension or stiffness in the arteries, and it also further regulates blood pressure combined with the herb ashwagandha and clear all the arteries to the fine capillaries. Pycnogenol, grapeseed extract, ginkgo maintains blood vessel functions and blood circulations. Healthy diet containing spinach, kale, beetroot, sweet orange, pomegranate, cherries, turnips, tomatoes, celery, rhubarb, all berries, figs, persimmons, tofu, soy milk, garlic, onions, guava, sunflower seeds, walnuts, celery, broccoli, fish, oats, barley, bananas, and potatoes combined with fiber like psyllium husk and inulin, you can maintain your proper functioning of blood circulation and maintain heart health and lower your blood pressure very effectively. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for video notification.